Tech Gay. Their first.
Hey guys.
We're at lunch right now. In school. Go to Diamond High School.
You forgot the AJ.
Oh yeah, AJ Diamond High School. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he's sorry, guys. I play football.
Nobody cares.
Everyone cares.
Your mom doesn't count.
I think they need to learn what we do within our lives.
I play video games and I go to school and I'm boring. This is our first vlog, like actual
And
vlog.
he's dated the same person like 6 times.
I wish I could get girls. I'm like you little bitch.
I'm not a bitch. Your mess
He's
is
my
a
bitch. He's my bitch. Go make me
Sponsor.
a sandwich. No. Shut up. We got 2. The most views we've ever gotten on a video so far is 2.
You guys should check out my channel, MS Asian 007.
No.
I got
No.
way more views than this channel.
You only got like 10 views on your last one.
12 views thanks to you viewing mine.
You hear that? We're in like this hallway where we didn't want to do a vlog out in the comments because everybody would be like, "What the hell are they doing? Hey!" And try to be on YouTube, but they're faggots, so we're not gonna do
Your
that.
hand's covering the camera. Kind of.
Well, high five, guys. Yeah, give him a high five.
Bro fist.
No, we're not copying PewDiePie.
No, bro fist. Because PewDiePie's freaking awesome. Swag.
Moose. It's a moose, guys. He can move his horns. Oh yeah.
You guys should check out our gaming intro. It's pretty beast.
We're gonna maybe play like Super Mario Bros. when we hang out after school, or Happy Wheels,
Or Minecraft.
or Minecraft. All right, guys, subscribe. Bye.